Hello everyone, welcome to and back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be designing this flyer. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you can get notified whenever a new video comes out. And let's get straight into the video. First, you may want to type in all or some of your info before arranging them. So you click on the text tool to start typing. You can choose to type them all at once and break them apart later on, or you can type and arrange them one after the other, just any way you want it. I like to type them out first. And let's change the page size to a 5. The first of this I made, I didn't actually change the page size. So at some point I had to do a little adjustment, like trying to arrange the text and images to look exactly like the one I first created. So double click on the rectangle tool to create a box around the page border. Now let's go ahead and break apart this text using Ctrl K so we can start arranging them, like changing the text font, the color, the size, and putting them in the right position. Give this a light color and a black outline by right clicking on this black here, and to further edit it, double click on this box here. It brings out this dialog box. Here you can increase the thickness. For corners and line caps, make them curved, and fit behind fill and scale with objects. Then click OK. So that's how we edit the outline of an object. Using the transparency tool, click and drag on the box and go up here to give it uniform transparency. Remember, you always go back to the pick tool after using any tool. To send this box behind the text, you can use the shortcuts or right click on it, click order, behind, and then click on the text so it goes behind the text. For the logo, let's just leave it up here for now. Draw a box and use the shape tool to make the edges curved. And increase the thickness by double clicking on this box to bring out the outline pen dialog box. Hold down the shift key to select 2 objects at a time. To insert symbols, press Ctrl F11, go to Web Things, then click and drag on the arrow you want to pick to your workspace. Click on the shape tool to reveal the nodes, then hold down the shift key while dragging this node so it only affects one corner, or you can click on the node before dragging. Next, we are going to place this inside the box. To do that, right click and drag towards the box, release it and click on power clip inside. Right now it's inside of this container. Right click on it and select edit content, or double click on the box to edit its content. Click finish right here when you are done. To apply shadow effect, click on shadow and click and drag on the object to apply it. Under effects, click on bevel and then click apply to apply the effect. So you can apply it on whatever objects you want to. Now let's insert the images we'll be using. Let's remove this white background. I should click on hide selected and not show selected. If you don't get how I did that, there's a video on how to remove backgrounds and it's linked in the description. Draw a pentagon and increase the sides of here in the property bar. Rotate it by dragging on these arrows while holding down the shift key. Duplicate using Ctrl D and arrange them while moving them. Now go ahead and place the pictures inside with power clip inside option. I'm just making a simple logo. Now let's edit the content of each box. Now we'll select everything and put inside the main box. And then move it to the right position. Now I have to make some adjustments so it looks like the first one I created, because I used a different page size for that one. So the last thing we'll be doing is inserting the background image. You can use whatever background you want. You can try as many as you want to know which one actually works out. Place the background inside the box and that's it. So that's it, guys. We're done with everything. And this is the first one I made. And these are all the backgrounds I use for it. Sometimes when you're changing the background, you change the colors too, that there is enough contrast between them. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so for more video tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in my next one.